Okay. So in TCS, if you look, like this is the low for me and this is the second low for me. So there is earlier way I was looking like this might be the fifth, and again it came down, and not in lesser time again. Like for example, if I consider this time and this time, it is not crossing in lesser time. So there is a chance like here it might take some more time and structure might be doing this, or like a long consolidation, we'll be getting one down. Okay. So in the very short term structure, it might be 1 and 2, 3 and 4. We are going to go for the 5, but as it crossed the level, so there is a chance like here we might get, when it crosses a 2166, we'll confirm that okay, fifth is got over. Okay, or here some consolidation, then going for the C. Okay, 1 second guys. Okay, now you can ask your doubts, keep to 1 or 2.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello.
Sun Pharma and Vedal.
Sun Pharma and
Vedanta.
Vedanta. Okay. A time frame, please.
Sun Pharma 1 hourly and Vedanta daily.
Okay. Sun Pharma hourly. Okay. And just looking the daily structure. Okay, fine. Okay. So as per the hourly, so here it A, B, C or D, something has like, again, like all are looking like a W for me today. Okay, fine. So here in this particular point, I say something has started new. So there is a chance like A, B and C in that also. So this is like a simple A and B. We are going to go for the C. So there is a chance here 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. So it is going for the upside 513 or 515. Okay, from very much high side or upper target will be this. If it is crossing 515 or something and consolidate there, you can look for the buy there or stay in a buy. Okay, here you can look for the buy setup for 513 or 515, then you can exit. And if it is consolidating, we'll be going to go one more up. If it is not going upside, and here if it is face a resistance and moves inside sharply, then we are going to go for one more down. So there the structure will be like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then it might go one more up. Okay, kind of triangle or something. So here in the longer term, it is in the buy, but a very short term, you can expect some reversal from the level of 515 to the level of 490, or at least to the 492 or 493 in case of Sun Pharma. Vedanta. Day wise. Fine. Okay. It is not looking like very impressive chart for me in the daily time frame, because what we see usually a fall and a consolidation, it is going in a sideways. So it might be any time. Sorry.
Divergence in RSI.
But yes, there might be the diversion for shorter time. For example, if it is like taking some time, the diversion will come. Okay, if it is spending some time, the diversion will come. Diversion is not a confirmation for the sell. Okay, or the buy. Okay, it is only the indication or like extra addition, so that you can take the help of that. So here, if you think, okay, it is a means a diversion, okay, as per the RSI, okay, it is a high, and now it is giving you some, sorry, I'll like this, okay, some diversion. That's okay. Here it might give some downside. That's fine. But if you see this RSI, there is a chance like here it might go one up. If you just see the RSI, okay, just if you see just RSI, it will give some upside, right? If you see this structure of RSI, it is not a sharper to the downside. So here also it is not going in a faster way, agree, but it might reverse from the 61% or 80% or from here itself, but not very comfortable for the buy. Okay, for example, here it takes some time. It might reverse from the 125 or 141 or 166 because it is a B. It can go anywhere. Presently we are in the B wave. It can go anywhere. So that is the reason we usually say trade for this. That will be the good. Okay, don't trade in the B wave. In the B also you can trade for the C. For example, let's say this 1 2 3 4 and 5, it is doing A and a B. After this it will go for the C, a smaller, that you can trade. Okay, but as of now, if I just compare with this downside movement, okay, because the availability of the chart is this, and this is going in a sideways, okay, not in, like, it is not giving any confirmation for the sell as of now. Okay, only on the diversion you can't decide, only price has to give the confirmation. For example, this, okay, here again it might go inside and go to the high because it is not crossing in a lesser time. So that is the one hint we can see here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 candle and 1 2 3 4 5 6 candle, it is not able to cross this down. So there is a chance it might go a little bit up. Let's say if it is going to the 118, then it might reverse one more time, then it will go. Okay, so that is the thing. If you see only this part, means this upper part, which trend or which movement is looking upside for you, means a green is looking sharper or red is looking sharper. You see green, a green means upside, green upside, and this is like a green. Okay, this is like a green. Anything you are finding like red is going in a sharper way, means downside, nowhere, right? Here, 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 here it is sideways. So there is a chance like here we are going one more up. Okay, so stay in a buy for at least like 1 to 1 or at least to the 61%. There we will decide how it behaves. Okay, fine. Yeah,
Apollo Hospital.
Apollo Hospital. Okay. A time frame, please.
So daily, hourly.
Okay, again it is like daily structure, 1 2 3 4 or 5. Okay, here it has started something new, maybe this particular point. Okay,
Yeah.
so we might be going for the 80% or 61. What is that? Twice. Okay, so here we are maybe making the structure of the triangle or a flat. So there is a chance like here, if it is coming down, then it will, or if it is not breaking this trend line in a lesser way, then it might consolidate a little bit and go upside for 80%, that is for 1629 or something. Then it might reverse, or it can go again for the upside. So you are in the B wave, so be careful here. As per the hourly, we look. Yeah, as per the hourly also it is for the buy because something has started new here. So I'm just considering this as my SL. Okay, it is for the upside. So 1 2, it might be like a 3 and 4 and 5 again for the upside. So look for buy, not to sell. Okay, here it might finish to something, so some new structure has started. So there I'll be going for this A, B and C, at least to this top, or minimum to minimum is 80%. That can be expected in this kind of structures.
Thank you.
1631. Okay.
Thanks.
Yeah, Polycab. Polycab S, it has something has started here.
Yeah.
So it's now A and B. So there is a chance it might go a little bit down, then one up. You can look for the buy here.
So what is the target, sir? Time frame and target.
Time frame, let's say how it behaves. As per this, I'm looking, it might like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It will finish here at 80% of this raise. So I'm taking this as a down and this as a high. So it will take some time here, maybe 3rd August. And then if it moves as per our plan, maybe 26th or 25th August. I mean, it will take 1 month or something.
Okay.
It is time taking because here it spends some time here as per this structure like A, B, and C. After this, it finishes. When it start moving upside sharply, then it will giving you faster.
Okay. So it will be about a month at least.
Maybe, yeah. It is taking at least month, yeah.
Okay. And the target is about 980, 990.
Yeah, 970 you can keep first and then to the 1050. Okay, it might be like if we are in the B again, like for example, A, we are going for the B. It might be zigzag or a flat.
Okay.
So that structure you need to keep in mind. Okay.
So Dhanuka, sir?
Yes, I see.
Patil ji. Patil ji.
Yes.
Can you go for Sun Pharma?
Yes,
Sun Pharma.
Yes, 1 second.
Avalli.
Yes. After this, we'll go. Okay. Dhanuka. Okay. It's hourly. Oh, sorry, daily. It's in Dhanuka, daily it is good. Hourly it can come little bit down, but that doesn't matter. It might go one more up. So stay in a buy, not to sell. In case
and looking at something like 990 or 950 kind of levels.
Yeah.
1000.
Wait. This. Yeah, 1000 will get.
Okay. And in the short run, 10 days, 15 days kind of.
Here, wait. So this A, B, and C here. So it might be the half time or full time of these two moves.
Okay.
If something has started here, because this is like a last move, it is different in time. So I'm taking half of this time will be. This time this is 21 April. So this is the time. And if I take half of this also, if it moves faster than expected, then 12th April 21 for this total up move.
Okay.
So this is half time. That is 1/4 time of these two. Okay. This is 1/4 time. Just if it is a half time. So there is a chance it might go to the 22 March also. And for the 1/4, if it finishes, it will finish before or like near April 21. Okay. Because if it is moving, it is not like in a day or month or two, it will go and touch the high. No. There is a buyers and there is a sellers and it will take some time. It will definitely take some time.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, right. It is like, again, like A, B, C, D, and E.
Okay.
Okay, that is the reason I'm considering it as like half time of this or quarter time. It will take. Okay, Sunfarm. Okay, Sunfarm will look early. Yeah. Yes, you were asking some doubt in Sunfarm, please.
Yeah, in a Sun Pharma, Patil ji.
Yeah.
Is the third wave, fourth wave is come on a first wave?
Means where, for example, in this you're talking about?
Yeah.
Third wave comes in?
Fourth wave is coming in the territory of first wave.
In this you are asking? This one?
Yeah.
Okay, this is not like a consolidation. This is not a new impulse. Okay, it might be the part of the correction, we can say, or it might be the fifth wave. This is third and this is the fifth.
Mhm.
Let's say this is 1 and 2.
Mhm.
This is 3 and 4.
Now,
And it is
fourth is
5.
coming in. Fourth is coming in
Yeah,
territory of first.
it can be allowed in fifth and first wave.
Okay.
So here, if I take this as a first, this will be the third, and this is the fifth. Means, for example, let's say this is 1 and 2, something has started. So here it's a 3 and 4, and this is the fifth. In fifth wave, we can take it. But if I look the overall structure, it is something has ended at this particular point only. Why I'm taking that, because it is 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 has finished here. So something, it is a A. Okay. It is a B wave. It is not like impulse. It is a B wave. And here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, it's like this, and it is in the B wave, we can say, or like it is doing something, a complex correction after this first impulse. So this
So
is
can
one
we short now with a
one
stop
or
loss of
A.
B? Can we short with a stop loss of B?
Yeah, you for the downside.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can. So here, if it gives a one time frame confirmation, for example, in this case, it needs to break this trend line first in lesser time. That is the confirmation you need to wait. So here, if you see again, like in a lower time frame, let's say in 15 minutes or something, so it is not giving any confirmation. So in 15 minutes also, if you see this, it is looking like a 1 and 2, or like it will 3 and 4. Let's say this is a 5, or it might be part of this first wave, and this will be like simple ABC structure. Okay, it is go first to the upside, then to the down. So whenever it give a confirmation, we will be going to see for the buy setup, not for the sell as of now. As of now, there is no sell. Okay.
So Bajaj Finance and Dixon, hourly and daily.
Okay. Dixon Technology.
Yes.
Okay. So it is going. This is the earlier chart or something,
Yeah, we had discussed it.
and it has came to 6,000.
Yeah. It crossed 6,666.
Nice. Okay. It moved brilliantly. As means the way it moving, it's amazing. I mean, it is now above the channel, but no need to worry until and unless it crosses this lower time frames channel. Okay.
So what would be the probable time and the targets for this in the long term, like daily?
Long term, like for example, if you see this whole structure AB, or like something new has started, so there is a chance here it might take some time and then it will go. But very short term, in a daily time frame, if I see, for example, let's say it might be the neutral triangle for me, the structure which it has made. For example, this is A and B, a C and a D and E here. Okay, I'm not considering this as a one wave because this is not looking like an impulse for me. For inside also,
Okay.
it is like a neutral triangle. So after this neutral triangle, it has started newly. So from here, I'll be considering fresh wave 1 and 2. Let's say this is a 3 and 4, or it part of this 3 and 4, and it is going for the 5. After this, it will consolidate here, and then it will start move. So now it won't go very much faster, which it has moved. Okay. So here it will take some time to go upside, or if it is faster downside, then it will consolidate to 38% or 61%. That is also possibility. Okay, but if you bought somewhere around here, or like some quantities, like let's say 10-20%, you can exit, or 20-25%. Then you look how it behaves, and after that you can buy for again for the upside. Okay.
And hourly, how does it look?
Yes, right. See, my funda is like in hourly also. I will exit at channel stop and try to buy near channels downside. So here for me, it is not going to go for buy. If definitely not going to go for buy. At least, like for example, if it go one more up, as per this, for example, let's say something has started here or this will be there. Okay, once finish this, it might come down.
So an exit at about 6-7 or something like that.
Yeah, 6-6 or 6-4 will be fine. 6-6 or yeah, 6-6 is fine.
Okay.
And one more, Bajaj Finance. You said.
Bajaj Finance.
Okay. It is at the 50%. So I said at least 61% and 80% it can go. This still structurally hasn't changed much. So, for example, if it is a first wave, like 1 and 2, and it's a third and fourth, it is in the fifth wave. Let's say, if it is the way, the moment it crosses the length of this third wave, this is the third wave length. Sorry, this is the first wave, so it is lesser than the first. So the fifth wave cannot be the shortest one. So I'm looking, it may not be crossing 36.27. If just I'm considering only to this like 1 and 2 or 3 and 4, and now for the fifth wave. Okay, so now I'll look a little bit closer. Here it's something as like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and A, B. Here something has finished. This is the low and this is the low. Maybe beginning is this or something new. So here it might be the fifth wave or it part of the fifth wave. Okay, so now it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. So it is A, B, C. The moment it crosses 667 or 36.57 or something, then it might be the part of this 1, 2, 3, 4 and fifth after third wave. So as per now, there is no sell and it is not looking any weak in the structure. So you can stay in a buy mode.
And what could be what could be the targets? Like assuming
you can 60, yeah, 50% to minimum. Like for example, whenever we trade these kind of a structure, usually it will be like a 50 to 61%. If it is a sharper, then a 80%. Okay. It is a sharper. It is not going in a slower direction. It is sharper. So I am considering at least to 61% to 80% in case of Bajaj Finance. If it consolidate also, that's fine. But it is going to go for 4186. And 61% will be 3700.
Patel ji.
Yes.
Hello. But in this chart, how we know the script is reversed from 50% or 61%?
No.
There is any indication?
Yes, the price confirmation and two-stage confirmation, that is trend line breakout and lesser time. That is the only confirmation. Means two-stage confirmation is first, it has to break the trend line. Secondly, in a recent trend or recent move, it has to break in lesser time. That is a two-stage. One stage is trend line breakout. Second is recent low in lesser time.
So can we also consider it as a flag and pole breakout, sir, at that point where you marked right now?
Right. Yeah, right. It is like flag and it is going to upside. Again, it consolidated and upside. Because here, if I see the movement, if something, let's say, if I discuss the whole structure, we were at this particular point and consolidate. I said at least it will go to 38%. Firstly, we were at 38%.
Correct.
And the way it is moving, it's faster. And angle, if I see just like angle, it is like a 40 or 45 degree. So when it is in the 45 degree, just I'm considering lower lines. If you see the angle, it is 45 degree.
Right.
Visually, I'm saying it is above 45 degree, and that is there. And if it is like 45 degree, the trend is good for the upside.
Right.
So there is a chance like it will go some extent. And if we are seeing some exhaustion, definitely we are going to see. But as it is moving, okay, as it is moving, it like it doesn't seems like it is exhausting. It is not.
So that means the chances of 3700 is high. The
Yes.
chances of 4100 is low.
Not low, I can say it can go. Okay, this it
But
definitely.
what could be the time frame, sir? Because assuming that the coming week is bullish, based on the Nifty crossing of 10,900.
Only if it is like a time frame wise, I'll be considering only this part. For example, now this time will be something has started new from here for me,
Right, impulse.
and
yes.
this ended here. Okay, I think if it is a new, then it's a half of this time up to this half time I'm taking, because these two are different. So this might be this is the next timeline for the target. I'll add this. So where it comes in. Maybe 22 July. Yeah,
22 July.
22 July. So we'll be ending maybe this ABC or some structure there. How it moves, it depends. For example, if it is faster, it will go like this. So it can go like this also.
Okay. Now I understand. So that's that 45-degree part.
Yeah,
you are
it
talking.
is in the 45-degree. And if the total, like how consolidation wise, if I take this total structure to the up to the down, so this is a half time.
So, and which tool you use, sir, for time frame?
There is a here you can go. Sorry, here. In this, where it is here. Yeah, date and price range.
Acha, date and price range. Okay.
Okay, you can.
And
take,
you mark it similar to fib.
yes, similar to
Similar to.
yes. And why I'm saying here, you see this moment and this. At least if it is 100%, then we will decide. Okay, the trend is not. Trend is finished now. At least 100% of the time, it will be near 19th August. So till that, I think it will go to the 80%. And if it time permits, means 100% also. There is no doubt.
Okay, so and this will be like before 22nd July. Either it has to hit 4186 or it has to hit 47. Is
Yeah.
that what we?
Yes.
Is that how we understand?
Yes. Yes. So
So
August.
there are 3 targets possible before 22nd July. Conservative will be 37.
Yeah.
Relax would be, and if the 45-degree angle continues and the momentum thrust is there, it could go right up to 4920,
Yes.
which is the actually touching the 52-week high.
Yeah.
Okay, and
Because
then there could be a.
Yes, because here, if I see the structure wise, if I'm looking this as a, this as a B, okay, if the triangle or something else, it is happening, then, so if it is B, it has to do at least to the 80%. So this is my target, 4176. So after that also, if it is doing triangle, let's say this downside will be faster. Again, the upside will be triangle.
Yeah, correct.
It will make like these kinds of the structure.
So just one more question on Nifty. There's a hanging man on the weekly chart.
Okay.
So I just wanted to ask for the benefit of all.
Okay.
And if you say the week, that's next Friday. I mean, based on yesterday's weekly,
Okay.
I just wanted to understand, how do we understand weekly, monthly?
No, on the basis of candle, if you are understanding this candle like hanging man, okay, let it give at least confirmation and take out this low.
Right, but when will we get that confirmation? So like suppose say on Monday, I see this chart.
Okay, Monday, if you're seeing a weekly, okay, if it like open gap down of 10,600 and 300 points to 200 points gap down, and if it is closing below
So that
you will
there's
get
no
it.
chance. So you ignore it, is it?
Yes, definitely.
Oh.
Because I won't trade weekly, right? So if you are trading on the basis of weekly, you can go for this, but you won't trade on the basis of weekly, right?
Correct. Yeah, hardly anyone.
Yeah. So if you're seeing in monthly, so this is not a sell.
It's bullish. It's bullish, right?
Yes, and bullish, and like this is a 80%. This is a bigger candle, mother candle for me. This
Right.
all are inside candle for me. Until and unless if you're trading monthly, it crosses this level, you won't be trading, and this level you won't be trading.
Correct.
So that is that.
Understood. Thank you so much.
Okay.
SBI and Biocon
Okay. Time frame.
daily.
Okay.
Biocon seems to be ending the fifth.
Yes. Here, still it is the structure wise hasn't changed much. So it is the structure might be the flat. So there is a chance it might come down 170 odd numbers. Then this will be like A, B, and going for C. Okay.
Right.
It's a flat which is making presently. So below 181, it might come to the 169. Then if it reverses, it will go for ABC. Okay, just I'm adding.
Sir,
this.
is 169 is a good level to buy for a positional long?
Yeah, you can. Here again, it has to give some confirmation on the basis of like hourly. If it is, for example, if hourly time frame, let's say, if I'm looking the hourly structure, it is looking like something 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is finished. Now it is going for the upside.
Yeah.
Okay. So there, if it has to give you confirmation, it has to break the recent high in lesser time. Then you will be buying it. If you are not getting it 169. Okay.
Okay.
And
okay.
one more time,
Suppose
here,
high.
yes, you can add this like this is the low and this is the high. Just I'm considering. And if you see the trend, it is faster, but not very fast to hit this level in lesser time.
Correct.
So there is a chance it is going to go for 100%. So maybe it's 61% or 80%, it will reverse. Then it might make the structure of this kind. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will finish in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There it will come 169. If it is coming, then fine. Or else, like that same trend line, you need to add and channel. Whenever it is breaking in lesser time, let's say, if it giving in lesser time, if it is breaking, then you can go for buy here only, not for 169 to wait. Then keep the SL of this and trade for this upside. Means structure is important for me, not like levels. Like if you are going in a flat, let's say in hourly structure, it might go even to the high like this. So that is not a confirmation, but again from there it might come to the flat. Okay. For hourly you are trading, for example, here also you can look for the buy because it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will go to the 61% first or to the 80%. So you can buy by keeping the stop loss of this. So whenever your risk reward will permits you to at least 1:3 or 1:2, you can go for that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So keeping 180 as a stop loss, we had an entry.
Yes,
just
185 you can keep the stop loss and buy from 189. So 4 points will be the your risk, and you can trade for 195. That is 4 points, 1:1, and 80% will be 198. 198 point will be your target.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Patilji.
Yes. Whenever and structure, yeah. 1 second, sir. Whenever structure is changing, you need to exit. Keep in mind.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Patilji, in this you should the time, na? What is the time frame up to down?
Downside. Okay, downside.
No, first one.
This
Take
one
from last. Yeah, time.
This to this.
The time. Yeah.
Okay, fine.
So suppose the time is finished and the price is not reached, then we can short with the stop loss of upper band.
No. That again, I'm just saying you last week also. I hope I received the same question. Here, I need to at least break this trend line, and it has to give some confirmation. Let's hope for this. This structure is doing a zigzag here. So for zigzag, it will 100% the time, or it might be the 200% of the time. Okay. Let's say it finishes here 100% and you are shorting it. Okay. So it might be making the structure like 0, A, B, and C for the flat. So what we'll do there? If you short here, you can wait for this to happen, right? First. And after that it will. Okay. We thought that, okay, 80% from flat will happen definitely. There is a chance it might go to the 100%, right? So that is the reason whenever you are trading a B wave, it is risky to trade. And don't decide on the basis of this, like, okay, 100% has finished. Now I'm going to downside. No. So here there is a 3 possibility here, 3 structures it can make in the correction. One is a triangle or a zigzag or a flat. So first, at least it will go to the 61% and 50%. Then we will see that structure, how it behaves there. Then if it gives a confirmation, then we will trade only for the C. If not, we are not going to trade for this C down on the basis of time. We are trading only basis of the price, nothing else. Nothing else. Not a time, not a RSI, nothing else. Yes.
Yeah. With reference to Nifty also, we are in the B wave, right? We are in the correction wave.
Yes, we are in the bigger B wave.
bigger B wave. So usually bigger B wave ends at what retracement level, sir?
Usually B will, for example, here there is a possibility it might make a structure of the first. If I'm seeing this, it is making, may make the structure that of the triangle. Yes, A, this is B, this is C, D, like this. So here it is definitely a time taking. If it is going 100% also, it is not going to the higher levels. That is there. Because as it is going downside is a sharper, this ray, this movement is not sharper compared to this fall. So here in like we are A, this is in a B. So B, where it finishes, we don't know. When it will,
Yeah.
when we will come to know, when it breaks the trend line in lesser time.
Lesser
the
time and line breakout. Okay.
So we have two more minutes. Any
Biocon was there.
someone has asked USD INR. Oh, sorry. So again,
Biocon.
wait for a second. So, Biocon. Okay. It is at the channel stop. 1 second. Sorry for that. So here it is at the channel stop. So I'm not comfortable to buy here. If I bought, I definitely going to exit here or nearby this time. So and it is not a confirmation for the sell. Like if I'm exiting, it doesn't mean that you can short there. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Some more questions. Jubilee Food. Foodworks or food it is? Jubilee Food. This only I hope. Jubilee and food. Yes. It is in a sideways, so wait for this, like whether it is making a flat or like a zigzag. Flat only, not a zigzag. Okay. So here it might go a little bit up, and if it like this, yeah, it might go. As if you see here, there is no confirmation. It has break the low, but not in lesser time. That is a hint, like we are not going to break the, or going to go for the downside. At 80%, it reversed exactly from the Fibonacci, but it has not given a confirmation for the sell. Okay, then again it reversed. If it is giving a confirmation, then we are going to go for sell. Definitely, we are going to go one down in case of Jubilee and food.